Ready? Start. These appeals are preferred, by the state-owned undertaking, Kerala State Beverage Manufacturing and Marketing Corporation Limited, a company registered under the Companies Act 1956, engaged in the wholesale and retail trade of beverages, aggrieved by the common judgment and order dated 30/4/2020 passed in ITA number 135146 and 313 of 2019 by the High Court of Kerala at Ernakulam. Stop. The civil appeal arising out of SLP number 12859 or 2020 is filed by the SSC, and other 3 appeals are preferred by the Revenue. Stop para. For the assessment year 2014-15, the Deputy Commissioner of Income Tax, Circle 1, Thiruvananthapuram, finalized the assessment of income of the appellant under section 143 subsection 3 of the Income Tax Act 1961. In short, the Act YD assessment order dated 14/12/2016. Stop. The Principal Commissioner of Income Tax, Thiruvananthapuram, has exercised power of revision as contemplated under section 263 of the Act and set aside order of assessment on the ground that same is erroneous and is prejudicial to the interest of the revenue, to the extent it failed to disallow the debits made in the profit and loss account of the SSC, with respect to the amount of surcharge on sale tax and turnover tax paid to the state government, which ought to have been disallowed under section 40 of the Act. Stop. Against order of the Principal Commissioner, Income Tax, dated 25/9/2018, the appellant herein filed appeal before the Income Tax Appellate Tribunal. Stop para. With respect to assessment year 2015-2016, assessment against the appellant was completed under section 143 subsection 3 of the Act by the Assistant Commissioner of Income Tax, Circle 1, Thiruvananthapuram, YD order of assessment dated 28/12/2017. Stop. Debits contained in the profit and loss account of the appellant with respect to payment of gallonage fee, license fee, shop rental and surcharge on sales tax, amounting to a total sum of rupees 8 lakh were disallowed under section 40 of the Act. Stop. Aggrieved by the said order, appellant herein has filed appeal before the Commissioner of Income Tax Appeals, Thiruvananthapuram, and the same was dismissed. Stop para. The appellant carried the matter by way of second appeal before the tribunal in ITA number 537 of 2018. Stop. The tribunal has dismissed the ITA numbers 536 and 537 of 2018 by a common order dated 12/3/2019. Stop. The appellant herein thereafter has filed miscellaneous application in MP number 47 of 2019 on the ground that the tribunal had failed to consider the issue agitated against the disallowance of the surcharge on sales tax. Stop. The said miscellaneous application was allowed by recalling earlier order dated 12/3/2019 passed in ITA number 537 of 2018